needles. There's one for the 84
Yeah.
needle machine, and there's one for the 184 needle machine.
Yeah.
The 84 needle machine, the dial needle will have a larger hook, and both the cylinder and the dial needle will have a small notch just in the corner of the butt, as opposed to the other one that is straight 90-degree angles. Okay, that's...
And then this one goes like this.
Yeah, one goes in the cylinder and one goes in the dial. The dial is
So this
horizontal and the cylinder is vertical. The big one goes on the side and the small one goes on the top.
Okay. And what breaks this? Like what normally breaks when there's a needle break?
Well,
Like,
there's different
obviously-
options. So the needle hook can open up.
Okay.
The needle latch can either break off or bend, or the butt can chip or break.
Okay. And the most common would be
The
anything up
hook,
here.
yeah, which is usually caused by bad yarn, by being a pileup of broken yarn, and like a big knot goes through and then it opens it up.
And would
causes
that be from the knitting of the yarn or not blowing the cams enough?
it comes from both things. It could be bad quality yarn, a bad quality knot,
Oh, when you finished the
or
spool.
an accumulation of lint that was not cleaned out and then all of a sudden went through at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would suggest every morning and every new piece, after you cut off a piece that's full on the roll
Yeah.
on the bottom, is take the air gun, which is connected
Yeah,
to the
that's
machine, and just lightly blow off
Like the holes and stuff.
the cones of yarn on the top, because there is lint as they come off.
Yeah.
And then blow around the cylinder and dial, and then around the machine, just visually. You'll start to see where yarn
where it
starts
goes,
to accumulate. It always goes to this more or less the same places.
Okay.